This conference will now be recorded.
Good morning. My name is Kendall Parks. I'm a meteorologist here at the NWS Jackson. This will be a weekly weather briefing for September 11th, the week of September 11th. So the highlights for the week will be the continued wildfire concerns, um, the continued drought, rain and storm chances this week, and milder temperatures beginning midweek. Okay, so our main threat for today will be the continued wildfire danger. We had a front pass through this weekend, which continued with some drier air, as well as the increased mixing heights, the higher mixing heights, and some of the vegetation still being dry. Well, most of the vegetation still being dry. Um, a lot of winds could increase wildfire danger. So I would heed any local burn bans. Like I said, we haven't had much rain, so a lot of the area is under a drought situation, with much of southwestern part of the CWA being under extreme drought, um, and a lot of and areas along I-20 and south of I-20 are still under a burn ban in Mississippi, as well as all of Louisiana. Okay, so Tuesday our pattern begins to change as a cold front sinks down into our area, bringing some more chances for some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms to the eastern periphery of the low pressure system it's associated with. Um, this will also start to increase moisture from the Gulf, but we won't start to see it until later in the week, beginning Wednesday. So by Thursday, the front will have passed through the region, but the dry air behind it will have, but the dry air will be slow to settle in. So therefore, rain chances will persist to the end of the week. Okay, so the forecast this week, we'll still see some isolated showers and storms through much of the week. Going into next week, the pattern shifts again with that drier air being firmly placed over us. So early next week, we won't see as many shower storm chances. Rain through this week. Rainfall is expected to be light over the next 7 days, generally less than an inch, with some localized areas having some heavier downpours getting more than an inch of rain. From the National Hurricane Center, this is our tropical outlook. There are several systems being monitored in the Atlantic, including Hurricane Lee and Tropical Storm Margot, but there are no concerns for the region at this time since none are expected to enter the Gulf of Mexico at this time. All right, that has been your weekly weather briefing for the week of September 11th. These briefings are usually conducted on Mondays and sometimes on Thursdays or as needed with special weather conditions. If you have any suggestions or any feedback, feel free to give us a call at 601-936-2189 or on Facebook and Twitter at NWS Jackson, Mississippi. All right. Thank you.